Hello everyone, greetings from Immigrant Defenders Law Center. My name is Andres Peña. I'm a paralegal with the San Diego office. April 30th, 2020, the Department of Justice and the Executive Office for Immigration Review extended the closure of court hearing dates for individuals in the Migrant Persecution Protocols, also known as the Remain in Mexico program, through June 1st, 2020. MPP is a cruel program that forces tens of thousands of men, women, and children to wait in unsafe conditions at our nation's southern border while their asylum case hearings are pending. Many, if not most, are trying to flee the very conditions they are subjected to while in this program, such as violence, rape, and abduction. In the government's announcement of the court closures, they advise people to present themselves at port of entries to receive new court hearing dates. This means people will risk their lives, health, and shelter beds to venture off into the streets where police and military forces are stationed to keep people inside, subject to stay-at-home orders. This type of disregard the U.S. administration continues to project towards individuals and families is not new. The pandemic was preceded by a Trump-created disaster at the border. But continued court delays with no humane solution for these families in the midst of a pandemic can be a death sentence. Shelters are overcrowded and do not have access to sufficient personal protective equipment, medical care, or supplies needed to combat this pandemic. For some, if they leave to retrieve their notices for new scheduled court hearings, they will lose their place at the shelter and have a tough time finding a new shelter, as many are not accepting new individuals. Those unable to retrieve new court hearing notices may not be allowed to attend future court hearings, exposing them to being ordered removed by an immigration judge. We must parole them all, end MPP, and let people shelter safe and together with family and sponsors in the United States.